Hello, this is the Honda Civic CVCC 1978 race car. An angle of the CVCC motor, quad carburetor setup. You can see it's all flared out, front and rear. I'll show you the coilovers. That's a good picture. They are adjustable. There's the rear. Some of the straight pipe. It's 2.5 inch, I imagine. Here's that upgraded suspension rod. Try to show you the. I don't know if you could see the exhaust, but here it is. It's well done. Well done. There's the rear. That's your 14x8 rim. There's the hatch. It does open. Here's that air filter. Custom air filter for the quad carburetor setup. Here's the rear. I believe the rear shocks are not adjustable, so it's only adjustable to go up and down. These two flywheels are put on here for weight distribution. Your battery box. There goes your bucket seat, drag bar, B-pillar bar, whatever you want to call it. The four-speed manual. I believe it does not have reverse, but I'm not really sure. And there is the sheet metal dash. Well done. That steering wheel is off of the 74 Civic. Thought it looked better than the one it came with. Here's another angle of the motor. Like I said, quad carburetor setup. Here's the adjustment, so you can see it is an adjustable coilover. Here's the bad part. The driver's side rear fender is like cracked. Got cracked for some reason, or maybe it got hit at some time. But it's repairable. Nothing hard. Yeah, you're a 14x8. Like I said, it has no windows or anything like that. It is a race car. Tell me if you like it. And like I said, we can go from there. Thank you.